Workshield's purpose is to help your business get going again. We've developed a range of protective screens for the office and business environment to help protect your employees and customers. Let me show you our most popular ranges. This is our modular shield range, which is made out of independent panels connected together with these clever connectors, and to keep them in place at the bottom we have these base holders. They're very easy to set up, and because of their various lengths you can create protective screens to whatever layout you have. As you can see, they're very sturdy and it provides immediate protection for your employees. If you already have acoustic boards between your desks, then the easiest way to provide a COVID secure workplace is to add these board shields on top. We've developed a special clamp that fits any board so that the shield itself just slides in easily into position. This is our desk shield range, which, as the name suggests, is designed for desks. They have these returns on both edges which add additional stiffness to the panels itself, which means that they can stand independently wherever you wish. They slot nicely into these bases, which come either as transparent acrylic or as nice timber oak.